उद्यद्भानुसहस्रकोटिसदृशां केयूरहारोज्ज्वलां बिम्बोष्टीं स्मितदन्तपङ्क्तिरुचिरां पीताम्बरालङ्कृतां विष्णुब्रह्मसुरेन्द्रसेवितपदां तत्त्वस्वरूपां शिवां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम्. Meenakshi Amman Temple, also known as Meenakshi Sundareshwarar Temple, is one of the oldest and most important temples in India. Located in the city of Madurai, the temple has a great mythological and historical significance. One of the legend refers to Madurai as the nectar that fell from Lord Shiva's locks. According to a legend, Meenakshi emerged out of a yagna. The yagna was performed by a king named Malayadwaja Pandya along with his wife Kanchanamalai. Since the royal couple had no child, the king offered his prayers to Lord Shiva, requesting him to grant them a son. But to their dismay, a triple-breasted girl emerged from the sacred fire. They were informed that the girl's third breast will disappear as soon as she meets her future husband. The relieved king named her Meenakshi and in due course crowned her as his successor. Meenakshi ruled over the ancient city of Madurai and also went on to capture many kingdoms. Legend has it that she even captured Indralok, the abode of Lord Indra. She was on her way to capture Kailash, the abode of Lord Shiva as well. When Shiva appeared before her, Meenakshi's third breast disappeared and she knew that she had met her better half. Shiva and Meenakshi returned to Madurai where their wedding took place. The wedding was attended by all the gods and goddesses. Since Parvati herself had assumed the form of Meenakshi, Lord Vishnu, Parvati's brother, handed her over to Lord Shiva. Even today, the wedding ceremony is celebrated every year as Chittirai Tiruvila, which is also known as Tirukalyanam. The history of Meenakshi temple dates back to the 1st century CE, with scholars claiming it to be as old as the city itself. It is said that Kulashekara Pandyan, a king who ruled over the Pandyan dynasty, built the temple as per the instructions given in his dream by Lord Shiva. Apart from the two main shrines, which are dedicated to Sundareshwarar and Meenakshi, the temple has shrines dedicated to various other deities like Ganesha and Murugan. The temple also houses goddesses Lakshmi, Rukmini and Saraswati. The temple also has a consecrated pond named Poothamarai Kulam, which means a pond with a golden lotus. The temple has a total of 14 towering gateways. Each one of them is a multi-story structure and displays thousands of mythological stories and several other sculptures. It also has numerous pillared halls called mandapams. The temple also portrays the cordial relationship between Shaivism, Vaishnavism and Shaktism. The Sundareshwarar shrine is known as one of the 5 Panchasabais, where Lord Shiva is believed to have performed the cosmic dance. The story goes that Madurai was originally a Kadamba forest. In this forest, one full moon night, a merchant witnessed Lord Indra worshipping a Shivalinga. On hearing about this, the king cleared the forest and built a small shrine to Lord Shiva. This shrine is believed to have grown into the present-day Meenakshi temple. Here, Shiva is said to have performed 64 miracles known as the Thiruvilayadal. In Madurai, Shiva danced with his right foot raised to fulfill the request of Rajashekara Pandyan instead of his left foot. Madurai was the capital of the Pandyan kings from the 4th BCE to the 16th century CE. Recent excavations at Keeladi, 12 kilometers from Madurai, have thrown light on the flourishing trade that Madurai had with Europe and Rome. Pepper, pearls, ivory, textiles, and gold were exported, and luxury goods were imported. In ancient time, Madurai was famous for its textiles and pearls. Thousands of Roman coins have been found in and around Madurai. Om Meenakshai Namaha.